and it was more widespread information rather than just the top level people maybe knowing, or having access to the data. It's the folks that actually need it, right? Our operations team, our procurement team, and not just having to rely on their own spreadsheets and recollections and that kind of a thing. Thinking about every individual person from, our production scheduler, our operations manager, our procurement manager, quality assurance. You think about all these people that they have to track things, right? So they're tracking them all themselves. And, people had downloaded free tools of various kinds and had used spreadsheets and access databases and all kinds of stuff that they just made up on their own. There's, I can't quantify it, but there's a significant benefit to all being on the exact same page. We all can go to the same report and pull it up and understand, the data that's flowing through here.